Hello and welcome. I'm Mauricio José Schwartz and this is From the Outside. Since 2009, I've published more than 100 videos dealing with religion, atheism, society, politics, science, pseudoscience, and critical thinking. Some of my subscribers suggested a new series to try to open up a means of communication with the English-speaking world, which is sometimes not keenly aware of how we see things from the Spanish-speaking world and how things actually are in the Spanish-speaking world. Of course, English is not my native language, so I apologize for any mispronunciations and grammar mistakes I might be guilty of. I respect the language and try to do my best. I've worked in the media as a journalist since the 1970s, and as a writer I have 17 published books in Spanish, from novels, short story collections, poetry, essays, science popularization, and I also write song lyrics, I play the guitar, I'm a photographer, and I've held a lot of odd jobs ever since I was 13. I hope this experience will also prove useful. From the outside, we'll have a common thread. We are being deprived of the notion of complexity. Many politicians, activists, and media outlets are offering us a worldview where problems are simple, they have simple causes, and therefore they can be solved easily with simple solutions. Instead of a deep, serious understanding of events, what they offer are simple sound bites. Vote Brexit, stop eating gluten, build a wall. But we should know that these sound bites are misleading. We are complex individuals. We create complex relationships with other people around us, and this begets really complex problems for all. I believe we must reject simple-mindedness and the idea that someone somewhere out there has a magical solution, a silver bullet, a painless way out of our collective problems. We have to accept complexity and try to understand it, knowing that as a species we have overcome much more intricate challenges in our history and we can overcome more. Remember that in the end, your opinion is what counts, but only if your opinion is based on facts and evidence and not whim and misinformation. I hope you will join me. Thank you.